Once upon a time, in a lush jungle, there lived a mischievous but clever monkey named Milo. He was known far and wide for his intelligence and quick wit. Milo loved to play pranks on other animals in the jungle. One day, he noticed a group of animals discussing a problem. Milo, the clever monkey, put on his thinking cap and hatched a brilliant plan. Milo led the animals deep into the jungle until they reached a hidden spring. Milo taught the animals how to conserve water and shared his wisdom about living in harmony with nature. From that day on, the animals in the jungle lived in peace, using the water wisely and respecting nature. And Milo, the intelligent monkey, continued to be a beloved and respected figure in the jungle, always ready to help and share his wisdom.